All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day of a new build. Let's see here. It is a 1979 Lincoln Continental. Big old boat here. It's a pretty cool car here. We are going to get rid of this column, steering column that is all broken. We do have a I believe it's a full billet, but it's powder coated black. Steering column coming in. I'm gonna pull this one out right now. I don't think I'm gonna film too much doing the steering column. Come on, buddy. After the steering column, because right now we got kind of a little jigger rig set up where we are starting and stopping it under the hood. The key, the shifter, the blinker, all that stuff got torn apart by the previous owner. And honestly, it's just broken. We can't figure out how to get it back together. Parts for this thing are very hard to find, so we ordered a aftermarket steering column. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put that in there, and then once it's done, we're probably gonna pull it in the shop. I'm gonna do it out here under the shade. So after that, we do have a full air ride slam kit. So we have airbags for all four corners. We got the tank, the double compressors, basically the full air ride kit with the controller. I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you guys, but just give you guys a quick little walk around here. I'm gonna probably do the steering column completely off camera, and then I'll continue filming some more once this car here is actually in the shop. I've debated doing it out here. It is, I think, like 110 degrees today, so I did put the shade thing up. It does make a big difference, but it's honestly, it's miserable out here. So I'm gonna kind of suffer through it, do the steering column, and then debating where we are at with the current projects. I may or may not sneak it in the shop and try to do the full air ride kit inside, so we'll see. But yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be a cool, fun build. I've been wanting to get my hands on some air ride kit. It's been quite a while since I've done one, so this is gonna be a pretty cool build. So a couple other things going on here in the shop. Do have this Jeep Cherokee here. I've been doing a whole bunch of little fixes on, just all kinds of stuff. I'm doing a full rebuild on the front axle. That front driver tire is basically snapped off. The front of the Pathfinder build is completed. Pathfinder is turned around. So we are just about to start stripping all the way around. I do have it up on jacks, kind of hovering here, ready to go. I'm just waiting on a day I can get to it. I'm gonna do the full tear down, get it ready. This rail, I've been doing basically complete go through. I painted it, I mounted this is actually a Jeep Cherokee full aluminum radiator, 3 electric fans. Did like a partial little intake. We're doing a full fuel system, did a full go through on the motor. I'm still kind of finishing that. Added the overflow bottle here. We built the exhaust here for it. Well, rebuilt it, kind of cleaned it up a little bit. I have new seat covers coming in, so I'm gonna pull the seats out and get those going. But I mean, just the paint alone, I wish you guys saw this, how faded it was, how bad it was. Built a spare tire mount up here on top, so that is fully bolted down. So just a handful of little things as well. This was a motor swap, used to have an old VW motor in it, so we're just trying to kind of get it going, get it running, get it back together, and get it finished. And then lastly, the Viper build. I have been filming this. I don't think I posted a video on this yet. The Pathfinder build, I do have a couple more videos, 2 or 3 videos. I think it's 2, possibly 3 more videos to do on that front end swap. But I'm going to get those edited and get those posted up. So here's the Viper. We basically, it's a wrecked Viper. I cut it in half and I'm doing all new frame rails and everything on it. We're going to put a twin turbo LS inside it, full roll cage, everything. So I'm a good way into it. I believe I'm in the middle of filming the second video on that. So I'm going to really try to get down and just edit. I mean, I've been putting in a lot of work. I just don't have the time to sit down and edit. I've been just busy. There's been tons of projects in and out. There's been a handful of them. As you can see, we're a full house here. It's currently just me here in the shop, so spend all day every day just working. I don't really have time to sit on the computer other than doing my invoices. I need hours and hours and hours to sit down and edit. So I do apologize. I will find time. I will try to catch up and I'm gonna try to finish all those videos so they're caught up. A lot of people are hitting me up on those videos. That's a pretty popular build there. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm really gonna try to get another video out this weekend. I don't know when I'm gonna post this one. I'll probably post this one and then I'll post one of those. So we'll see. But that's gonna be a wrap. We're gonna get that Lincoln started. I'm gonna go out and work on that Lincoln right now. That way we can get that steering column, everything in, and we can start moving that car around a lot easier. So once again, thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I appreciate all the support and everything, guys. This is a lot of hard work, and the more support, the better. So I'm just glad I get to share it with a lot of you guys. I get a lot of questions, a lot of comments, and it seems like a lot of you guys really appreciate me doing these videos. I am still learning again at all the editing and filming and everything. I'm completely new to computers, so hopefully they're not too bad, but I am learning a lot of little tricks and everything. So I think over time they'll get better. So, but that's gonna be a wrap. So thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace out.